Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can report a bug you have stopped in Snapchat. Since Snapchat has made it easier for its customers to reach out to them. So you can report any bug you see on your Snapchat, such as the filters not working properly, your camera not opening, and many more. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do all that. Just make sure you watch till the end of the video. So without any further ado, let's start by opening Snapchat. So now that it's open, you can see that we on our home page. So to report a bug, simply click on your profile icon. And now that it's open, you can see all these tools to work with. So this is where we are going to learn on how you can report a bug. And the steps are quite actually simple. So simply start by opening your settings. To do that, come and then click on this upper right corner. And now as you can see it's open. You can see all these tools to work with, so make sure you well aware of the problem you wish to report. So to do that, simply slide down to the bottom, and then go on the feedback section. And now as you can see we on it, so simply click on I spotted a bug. And now as you can see we have all this results, so simply choose the part you would like to report, such as camera, filters and many more. So after selecting it, you can see all this results to work with, so simply select the topic you would like to report about your bug. After doing it, you can come here and then write in the better feedback or define your problem properly, just so Snapchat can help you through it. So after doing that simply come and then select on submit. And now your results have been sent. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.